Welcome back to Promptly Pro. Trust me, you can thank me later. Most people use Chrome every single day, but here's the truth. You're probably not taking advantage of the most powerful AI extensions that can completely transform how you browse, work, and create online. So in this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI Chrome extensions you absolutely need in 2025 to save time, boost productivity, and even make money. Merlin. ChatGPT everywhere. Merlin brings ChatGPT directly into your browser. Highlight any text on a website, right-click, and instantly get summaries, explanations, or even rewrites. Instead of copy-pasting into ChatGPT, Merlin saves you multiple steps every day. Compose AI. Smarter writing. If you're constantly writing emails or filling out forms, Compose AI is a game changer. It auto-completes sentences, suggests rewrites, and adapts to your writing style. Think Gmail Smart Compose, but on steroids, across the entire web. Perplexity AI. Smarter search. Forget wasting time on Google. Perplexity AI is like ChatGPT plus search combined. It gives you direct answers with sources, right inside your browser. It's perfect for research, learning, or just getting facts fast without opening dozens of tabs. Tactiq. Automatic meeting notes. If you use Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams, Tactiq automatically transcribes your calls in real time and saves the notes in Google Docs or Notion. Instead of scrambling to write things down, you get a full summary instantly. Scribe. AI for step-by-step guide. Ever wish you could document a process without spending hours making screenshots? With Scribe, you just do the task once, and it automatically creates a step-by-step guide with text and images. Perfect for training, onboarding, or showing clients how to do something. The big picture. These 5 Chrome extensions turn your browser into a productivity powerhouse. With AI running in the background, you can read faster, write smarter, take instant notes, and even create guides on the fly. If you're using Chrome every day, these tools aren't just nice to have, they're must-haves for 2025. Which of these extensions will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more practical AI tools to save you hours every week, hit that subscribe button right now. Automate, optimize, grow. This is Promptly Pro.